guys, today is Friday. I'm cooking blackened shrimp. Blackened shrimp for Friday during Lent. We don't eat meat on Friday. So I'm gonna use this seasoning, which is Dookie Chase's seafood seasoning. I got this when I was in Disney over the summer. It is part of the Tiana theme from the restaurant New. Oh, it's stuck together. I did use it before. Just gonna do like about maybe 3 tablespoons of this. It does have salt, so I'm not gonna add no salt to this. And then I'm gonna season with a few other ingredients. I will list everything in the description below, so if you want to try this recipe, you could. Cumin, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon or a little bit less of half a teaspoon of coriander. I will say a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is cashmere red chili powder. You don't have to use that. About a teaspoon or so of dried oregano. And I would say about a tablespoon of onion powder. Not a tablespoon, I'm sorry, a teaspoon of onion powder. And the same amount of garlic. So later on, you guys are going to see that the dish retained a lot of water. The reason for that is because I covered it. So anything that's blackened is supposed to obviously be blackened. It's supposed to have burn marks and get crisp. So keep it on medium-high heat, not too high where it burns, but high enough that it cooks fast and no liquid is retained. That was 2 pounds of shrimp, if you're wondering, and I'm also going to saute minced garlic in a few minutes along with the shrimp. I just wanted to cook a little bit, and I'm going to drizzle half a lime on that, and then I'm going to make a cucumber salad with parsley, lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, and maybe a little bit of garlic. I'm not sure yet. So as you can see, it didn't blacken at all. It just sauteed and steamed because I had it covered. So do not cover it, but follow everything exact. And obviously you may not have that seasoning that I used in the beginning that I got at Disney. So just don't worry about that. All the other ingredients are fine, and salt and pepper to taste. Don't put too much salt. Be light with it. Some of the boys are gonna have macaroni and cheese. You know what, this, ooh, I just made a mess. This came out a little more liquidy than I wanted, but I guess it's okay because the sauce can go on top of the rice. I made the blueberry muffins with my daughter in the evening. We were supposed to do it in the morning, but we wanted being out all morning. So anyways, also want to discuss my videos. You know, obviously it's a work in progress. I've had this YouTube channel for a few years, but I'm still trying to get a hang of it. And I'm going to start trying to film different angles and maybe more of myself. I'm not that comfortable doing that, but I think it's something that I have to do, especially, you know, to cook better, I guess. I'm not cook better, but to have the videos look better. But anyways, I just wanted to put that out there. We're making blueberry muffins. The ingredients will be in the description. I'm just adding sugar to the flour, and I will be adding the other dry ingredients as well. I coated the blueberries. Leave that, Mama. I coated the blueberries with, what am I looking for? Where's the cover for this? I coated the blueberries with flour because it helps the blueberries not sink in the bottom of the batter. So anyways, we have all the dry ingredients now together. Do we add this, Mama? No, don't do that yet, Diana. Oh, jeez. All right, you can add the blueberries in. Add the blueberries. We have to add a little more milk. It's a little dry. So we're also doing a strudel top, which is cinnamon, sugar, and butter, and a little bit of flour. I'm going to mix this all together. It's cold butter, by the way. I'm going to mix this all together, and I'll put that on top of the muffins. Put them in here. Put them in the muffin tin. Okay. I baked the muffins at 375 for 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave any comments down below. Any suggestions are really much appreciated. And don't forget to like and subscribe.